Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So in the latest update of Aiomatic, you will see that it has greatly improved royalty-free image generation feature. So if you go and check the latest version of Aiomatic, you will see that version 1.5.1 adds great improvements to royalty-free image searching. So added the ability to select royalty-free image source and many more. So I will be going through these updates, but first let me show you some posts that I just created. These are some examples posts. What to see in London. This is the featured image of the post, generic image from London, unveiling London's majestic architecture, the splendor of Buckingham Palace, and this is actually an image with the Buckingham Palace. The Tower of London, actual Tower of London image, Royal Botanic Gardens, a botanic garden image, artistic treasures, the National Gallery. So this seems like the National Gallery. I'm not sure if it is actually it, but I will look into it. Also, another post, top wildlife destinations for nature lovers, featured image, Serengeti National Park. These are animals here and a balloon, which probably is the Serengeti National Park. Yellowstone National Park, Galapagos Islands, an island, Masai Mara National Reserve, and here a rhinoceros in the savannah. And yeah, these are high quality images now coming in for posts that are created by the plugin. So let me start right now and import another post and generate another post using AI and set also featured images for it. So let me think of a title. What to do in Barcelona. Okay, so this is an example title, and the default settings of the plugin will now generate images also. As before, this was not enabled. You were required to enable this, but starting from now, this will be automatically enabled. Okay, so while this is generating, as articles now generate between 3 and 5 minutes per piece, let me show you the changes in settings that the plugin has in the latest update. So first of all, you will see this new checkbox appear in the settings, add an image to each heading of the article. So this will add an image to each and every heading of the article. So this is a heading, this is an image. This is a heading, this is an image for it. So before, this was not available, and you could set only a number of images to be set to the article, and this was a bit tricky to use, as if you set here that, hey, create for my article between 3 and 5 sections, you did not know exactly how many images you need for this article, as it could have between 3 and 5 sections. So to resolve this issue, I added this checkbox, and in this case an image will be added for each section that will be generated from here. Also, the plugin will be able to put the image on the top of the heading or on the bottom of the heading. You can select this by the heading image location from here, where you can select top, bottom, or random between top and bottom. So if you select top, then the image will be put here, the title of the heading will be displayed, and the heading content. Sorry. If you set this to bottom, then the title of the heading will be displayed, heading content, and the image will come afterwards only. Okay, so these are the changes here. Let me show you the changes also in the main settings of the plugin, where royalty-free images tab was added, and it has new features. But before this, the plugin generated content, so let us go to the main page. And what to do in Barcelona. Here an image probably from Barcelona, I'm not sure of this. Explore the architectural marvels, Gaudi's masterpieces and beyond. Yeah, I'm in the dark with this. I think this is Barcelona. indulging the culinary delights, foodie's guide to Barcelona's tapas and paellas scene. And yeah, this is culinary, but it is not tapas and not paellas, but yeah, it is food related. So I will still need to improve this feature, but however, you can see that it goes to food related stuff. Immersive and vibrant culture, artsy enclaves and festivals, so it's art, and this is correct. Mediterranean beaches and waterfront activities for relaxation and adventure, and this is the beach. So as you can see, the plugin has now greatly improved the accuracy of royalty-free images which it uses. So yeah, you can go ahead and play with it. So also you will have new features here in the royalty-free images tab from the main settings, where you will be able to define actually in which order you want to use the image sources. So if you want to set this to do not randomize royalty-free image sources, you will be able to do this. So if we want to uncheck this and save settings, you will see that do not randomize royalty-free sources order, but use the below order. So if you want to use the below order in checking the image sources, then you can also reorganize this. Set Google for first, for example, Unsplash, Pixabay Scrape, and all you have to do is save settings. And in this case, the plugin will use this priority of image sources. But keep in mind that if you use this order, then images will always come from Google if the plugin finds images on Google Images. So keep in mind that in this case, images might be a bit repetitive, but I recommend that you use the randomize order and to always randomize the sources. Also, you can add the sources here. So add Pexels app ID, Flickr app ID, Pixabay app ID, and check these checkboxes, these free checkboxes to enable these image sources. After you've done this, the image sources will appear here. Also, if you don't want to randomize royalty-free image results order, then you can do this, but in this case the images might have a bit of repetitive characteristic, but they will be more focused on the keywords you are searching for. So keep in mind, if you want to get laser focused images, then check this checkbox to not randomize the order anymore, as the top part of the search results will always be the most relevant images. So if you don't randomize the order, then the first images will be used and they will always be the most relevant images. So because of this, if you randomize it, you will get more diverse images, but they will be less focused on the keyword you are using. If you are using article titles which are in other languages than English, I recommend you check this checkbox. In this case, the plugin will attempt to automatically translate the title before using the keyword search. Eligible images rank at most at position. So this is an important feature, as now the plugin will grab only the first 4 images by default from the image searches. Until now, the results were not so accurate, as the plugin grabbed the entire search and shuffled it, and yeah, not always it returned an image which was actually based on what we searched for. However, since this feature came in, so only the first 4 images will be grabbed from the images that the royalty-free image sources are returning, and in this case these images will be highly relevant to our search. If you want to make images more diverse and also less relevant as a result, you can increase this to even 20, for example, or 10. And also, if you want to make images very laser focused and also less diverse as a result, you can set this to 2, for example. And in this case, only the top 2 image results will be grabbed by the plugin and they will be used, but we know for sure that they are very accurate. Anyway, you can leave this at its default value as 4, works great in most cases. Also, I added this in the prompt for OpenAI keyword generator for royalty-free image importing. I changed the prompt, the default prompt, and this default prompt was a bit short and it lacks some things. And I changed it to this. So if you have here the old prompt, if you were using the plugin before, you might have here the old prompt. In this case, hover over this question mark and copy it from here. I need to find high quality, and starting from here, I need to find high quality relevant royalty-free images. So copy this and add it here directly. And in this case, the new prompt will be used to extract royalty-free, to extract keywords from post titles to get royalty-free images based on that. Also, the improve royalty-free featured image precision using this service, I recommend highly that you set this to OpenAI or Aiomatic API, as this will greatly benefit the results of the plugin in royalty-free image searching. So this is the latest update of the plugin. Be sure to set the royalty-free featured image precision using OpenAI. Set this prompt. You will find it in the tooltip from here. Also, be sure to set settings similar to I have here. Don't check anything, especially if you are publishing English content. Don't check anything. And yeah, it should work much better now for you, as you see in these examples, that the plugin is now able to provide much better articles with much higher quality royalty-free images in them. Okay, so let me know your opinions on this update. Your suggestions are welcome also in the video's commenting section. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have anything to say, let me know in the comments. I read them and I reply to them. And yeah, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. It helps me grow and go forward. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. This is all for today. Bye bye.